Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to learn about the queen's move, as we have done already the rooks and bishops move and the way they attacks. Today we are going to learn the queen. First of all, I'm going to tell why we call queen as the strongest piece in the game. There is a specific reason behind it. Why she's been called the strongest one? Because she has a power of two pieces. As she can move both like a rook, piles, ranks, and also she can move like a bishop diagonally. This is why she is being called the strongest because she has highest mobility. The rest all the pieces here. Now let's do some positions here. So in here in this position, it's white to play. Queen needs to attack the rook in one move. White to play, the white queen needs to attack the rook in one move, but do not put the queen in under attack. So here we can move on this a file, first rank, this diagonal. And since we need to only find one square, it's obviously not going to happen on this diagonal, as if we play the queen diagonally over on black squares here, she's only going to cover the black squares diagonally then. For example, if I play it over here, she's only covering this diagonal, or if I play it here, she's been covering like this way only. So she's obviously not going to attack the rook diagonally this way. If we check on this file now, A file, this A3 is the only square where she is going to attack the rook. But over here, he is not safe as we are playing it in, under attack, as we are playing it in front of the rook. That's why it's a wrong answer, which means neither it's possible on A file as well. Now it's time to check the first rank here. On this first rank, if we play the queen all the way to F1 here, this is F1 square, he's going to attack the rook diagonally this way. And she's also safe here as rook can't go diagonal. That's why rook can't do nothing any the queen. Queen is straight and she's attacking him. The answer is QF1. As we are playing the queen here, and queen has a symbol of Q, so it's QF1. Let's see the next position here. Same question in this position. Queen needs to attack the rook within one move. So here, if try to play the queen on this rank here, she's only going to attack the rook from this G8. But as we are playing it in front of the rook, this won't be happening. This won't be happening. We are not getting the right square then, as rook will take the queen then. So let's try out the file now. On this A file, if you play the queen one square down to here, A7, she is attacking the rook diagonally. She is attacking the rook diagonally like this way, and she's also safe. The answer here is QA7. As I said, queen has a symbol of Q. And we are playing it on A7. So QA7 is the notation. QA7 is the answer. Alright. Let's see the next position then. This we here, the next position, we need to attack the rook within one move. Same thing we need to find again. Once again over here, if we try to play the queen diagonally, she's not going to attack the rook from any square, as she covering the black squares diagonal, whereas the rook is on white square. But we try it on f5 here. On this f5, if we play the queen down to over here on f5 square, she is attacking the rook diagonally like this way again. And she's It's also safe as you can't do nothing, anything to the queen. The answer here is QF5. Let's do some next positions here. Now, this next position is about queen to attack the bishop in three different ways. The question here is white to play, white queen needs to attack the bishop in three different ways. And as we know that queen move along on file, rank and diagonal, you're supposed to find all three of squares on those three directions. But one more thing again, you need not to play it on under attack. You need to remember it. You must not get onto under attack. Otherwise, we will lose it. And there is no point of finding an attack. Let's get started. In this position, the queen can move along on this B file, first rank, these diagonals here. So as we're supposed to find three squares, we can get them on these directions. So let's check the file first. On this B file, if I play my queen all the way up to B8 square, she's going to attack the bishop and she's safe here as bishop would do nothing to the queen. Because bishop can't go straight. This is the first square we found on B5 here. Now let's check the diagonal. As I said, the queen has two diagonal. Let's check the other way first. This diagonal. So if you play the queen over here, she is not at all going to attack the bishop. Not possible here. Let's try out on the another diagonal here. On this another diagonal, try to play the queen to over here on F5. She is attacking the bishop, but she is not safe herself. You are putting it in danger as you are playing the queen in front to the bishop diagonally. Once you do that, bishop will simply take out your queen. The right answer of this diagonal is if you play the queen to C2. If you play the queen to C2, first of all, she is safe. Bishop won't take him, and she is also doing an attack on the bishop, all straight up like this way. C2 is the next square here. Next, we have done with this on diagonal here. Next, find the square on first rank. Find the square on first rank. So on this first rank, we play the queen on over here on C1. We play the queen on C1. She is going to attack the bishop, and she is also safe as the bishop would do nothing to the queen. So that's why it's attacking the bishop. So here we have found all three squares B8, C2, and C1. The queen is going to attack the bishop, and the queen is going to get safe. Okay. All right. Now let's see some next positions. So over here, same thing you need to find again. Who needs to attack the bishop in three different ways. So one you could find on file, another on diagonal, and last on rank. So once again, we need to try it out on the three directions one by one. Let's find out on C file first. So over here on C file, we play the queen over all the way to this square C7. She is going to attack the bishop like this way, straight up. On C7, she is attacking the bishop. Let me tell you one thing, attack and capture are two different things. Attack means when you threaten your enemy, means that you are coming for it. You are threatening your enemy, your opponent. That I'm going to attack or I'm going to capture. Capture means when you are taking it out, when you're taking out your enemy piece from the board. That means that is capture. Over here on c7, she's going to attack the bishop. Now let's check the diagonal. So firstly, on this diagonal, there are only these two squares, a3 and b2. On either of them, if we play the queen, she is not going to attack the bishop then. Not possible on this diagonal. Let's check the another diagonal here. On this diagonal, as you can see, we play the queen all the way up on h6. On h6, she's going to attack the bishop once again like this straight way, and she is also safe as bishop could not take the queen. So diagonally, we have found h6. Now it's time to check the rank. So on this first rank here, we play the queen all the way to here h1. We play the queen to h1. She is going to attack the bishop again like this straight up. Here, she is going to attack the bishop like this. Let's do some next positions here. So let me tell you one thing first. I'm going to tell you now about double attack. Double attack is first of all a tactic, strategy, what we call, and tactics means tactics are the special move through which one can either get a material gain or finding out a checkmate. There are only two advantage you will get in chess. One is once you get an gain your opponent's material, your game will be upper handed, or otherwise, if you are finding a checkmate, then you're simply winning it out. So tactics are the special move which will help you to get those. So one of the tactics which we are going to learn today is double attack. Double attack means when one piece attacks two enemy pieces together. Let me show you an example here. Say this is the position. Here, the white bishop needs to double attack both the rook. So over here, if you play the bishop on e3, e5, he is going to double attack both the rooks. This is what double attack looks like when one piece attacks two enemy pieces. After which, one of an enemy piece is allowed to get away, and the one which left behind is going to get captured. It's going to get gain to an attacker. All right, so that's what double attack means. So let's find out from this position. It's white to play here. Here, white queen needs to do a double attack on both the bishops. Queen needs to attack both the bishops at once. But remember, do not put the queen in under attack. Always remember whenever you are going for an attack or defense, you must find that you should not play your piece in under attack. Otherwise, you will lose it. So it's the same thing you need to find here. With this position here, play the queen all the way up to f6. To play the queen on f6, she is doing a double attack on both the bishops, like this one. She's doing a double attack on both the bishops here. And after that, whichever the black bishop could save himself, the another one which is left behind is going to get captured by the queen. So this is what double attack stands for. Let's use another position here. Okay, so this is the next position. Same thing we need to find. Queen needs to do a double attack on both the bishops. White to play double attack the bishops. So in here, once again, if you play the queen on h3, she is going to attack both the bishops. like this. And she's also safe, as bishop would do nothing on the queen, and queen is doing a double attack on both of them. After that, whichever the black puts safe, the other one will get captured by the white queen. This is where what double attack means. So here we have done the queen's move, the way she moves, attacks, and the same way she defends that way. And double attack also we have done. We'll be covering up some new topics in the next session. So kindly get it clear and all the moves which we have done so far, rooks, bishop, and queens. All right, everyone. Thank you.